Assalamualaikum. I'm here with my channel Splash the Knowledge. Today I'm gonna start with another reader, another Oxford reader. The name of this reader is the Pancake. Let's again start from the card reading activity. The name of this reader is The Pancake. The Pancake. The publisher of this book is Oxford Reading Tree. The publisher of this book is Oxford Reading Tree, and the authors of this book are Roderick Hunt and Alex Brishta. Roderick Hunt and Alex Brishta. Let's start the reading. The frying pan. The frying pan. The floor. The floor. The eggs. The eggs. The eggs. The milk. The milk. The butter. The butter. The butter. The pancake. The pancake. The pancake race. The pancake race. The pancake race. Pancake race.